Today we'll be making this origami boat. Want to get started? Let's go.
For this project, you need one piece of printer paper. Start off by folding in half, like this. Crease. Open it up and fold this way. I'm gonna keep it this way so you can fold this down. And you're going to take this and you're going to fold it up like this. Flip it over and fold it in. Fold this up like this. Then you're going to open it up. Well, this can be a hat if you want a hat. You open it up, flip it over, take one side, open it up and put it in here. Put the other side right there. Like this, I'll show you. Do this to the back two side. Open one side up. Put this in here and fold like this. And then you're going to fold this up. Flip it over and fold it up. And then you're going to open it up again. And now we're going to take this side. It's going to pull away. Get a right point. Fold this to this side, unfold and fold to this side, and keep it up like this. Fold this in half right here, and you're done. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.